All right. So Penny's favorite pizza restaurant offers 6 pizza toppings. That's it. They offer 6 pizza toppings, and those pizza toppings are, let's get there, ham, onions, mushrooms, pineapples, tomato, and peppers. Penny orders a pizza with ham and pineapple. Unfortunately, the server writes down that she wants 2 toppings, but does not write down what they are. The cook decides to pick 2 toppings at random. What is the probability Penny will get the pizza she ordered? All right. So, as I said, you've got to have your correct option. The amount of correct options there are at the top as a fraction. In the bottom, the number of options. Okay, that's if you watch the previous explainer video, which now I recommend you do, even if you think you got the answer. All right, because maybe you watch that and you're like, oh, I didn't know that, and you quickly change something and try again. So if you want to do that, go do that now. If not, here we go. So this is how many correct options, and we need to find out with all the options. So these are all the options. And there's meant to be a space there. So just pretend there's a bigger space there. So we need to work out all the combinations of pizzas there could be with 2 toppings on them, 2 different toppings. So there are 6 toppings and how many correct. So I'm going to work this out instead of trying to explain what I mean. So first, I'm going to give these symbols because it makes it easier. H, O, M. So H is for ham, O is for onions, M is for mushroom, P is for pineapple, T is for tomato, and peppers, let's call it P. Let's pretend they're chilies, and we can call them C, so we can use a different letter for each. So H, O, M, P, T, C. All right. So we've got to find out all the different combinations there can be. So there could be H and O, H and M, H and P, H and T, H and C. So I've done every combination with the possibility of H. So I can't write another pizza with H down. Now let's do O. So I'm going to do O in a different color, but I'll write it next to it. So we can do O. We can't do O and H. We can't do O and O. So O and M, O and P, O and T, O and C. So now we're done with O. We can get rid of O. Okay, so none of the other options will have O in them. Okay, change color again. Let's try M. So we've already done M and O. We've already done H and O. So now we can do M and P, M and T, M and C. All right, that's all of them. So we've done all of M. Fantastic. Let's do P quickly, and let me try a different color, green. Okay, so we do P, and we can't do P and H, P and O, or P and M, so we do PT and PC. Fantastic. Now we're left with, well, let's get rid of P. Now we're left with T. So we've already done P and T, we've done M and T, O and T, H and T, so we're only left with T and C. And then for C, well, we can't do anything for C because we've done every combination of C possible. All right, so what you're seeing on your screen right here is all the correct options that we could possibly have. Not all the correct options, all the options. So now we just need to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the maximum number of combinations that the chef could choose would be 15. So that's going to be the bottom. Now, the correct combination would be ham and pineapple. So that would be H and P. So if we look through this list, every time we see H and P, we need to circle it. So there's once. Okay, so H and P only comes up once over there. So of all 15, the only time he could get it right would be if he selects ham and pineapple exactly. So that becomes a 1. So our answer is, what's the probability of him choosing the right one? It's 1 in 15 chance, which isn't very high. So this waiter should probably go out and ask about it. All right, hope you got that. If you didn't, it's okay. I hope you persevered and tried your best. All right, good luck, boys. Cheers.